International Day of Parliamentarism, 30 June 2025. Theme: look at these pictures. Detail going on. Women remain underrepresented in national and local legislatures worldwide, limiting their political rights and influence over laws and budgets. UN Women advocates for more women leaders, supportive laws, and skills building through policy dialogues and cross party collaboration. Partnership with groups like the Inter-Parliamentary Union (IPU) are key to those efforts. The IPU's Forum of Women Parliamentarian, active for over 40 years, empowers women MPs to address gender imbalances and includes men as allies. Embedding the approach for the 2025 IPU theme: Achieving Gender Equality, Action by Action. Achieving Gender Equality, Action by Action. The forum helped introduce rules requiring women's inclusion in parliamentary delegations. 10 key bases to achieve gender equality in parliamentarism. 1. Implement gender quotas. Introduce and enforce mandatory gender quotas for political parties and parliamentary representation to ensure fair participation of women and marginalized genders. 2. Promote gender sensitive legislation. Ensure all proposed laws and policies are assessed through a gender lens to identify and eliminate potential discrimination or imbalance in their impacts. 3. Encourage women's political participation. Support initiatives that train, mentor, and empower women to participate in politics, from local council to national parliaments. 4. Address gender based violence in politics. Adopt policies and laws to prevent, investigate, and penalize gender based violence, harassment, or intimidation against women in political life. 5. Ensure equal leadership opportunities. Create equal opportunities for leadership roles within parliamentary committees, speaker positions, and party structures. 6. Promote work-life balance in Parliament. Implement family-friendly policies like flexible working hours, parental leave, and child care facilities to support both women and men in balancing political careers and family responsibilities. 7. Mainstream gender in parliamentary work. Ensure all parliamentary bodies, including budgets and oversight functions, integrate gender considerations into their daily work and decision making. 8. Increase gender diversity training. Offer mandatory gender sensitivity and inclusion training for all members of parliament and staff to foster respectful and equitable environment. 9. Create safe reporting mechanisms. Establish confidential and effective channels for reporting discrimination, harassment, or abuse within political parties and parliaments. 10. Strengthen international cooperation. Collaboration with international bodies, civil societies, and women's organizations to exchange best practices and promote global accountability in achieving gender equality in governance. By taking concrete, measurable steps, parliaments can become true engines of gender equality and social justice. Thank you. Have a nice day.